why to be a leader in the first place? The question comes, यार leader बनना ही क्यों है? Because when I first started my journey, I always had a question कि यार ये I am a very good team player है, leader बन के इतना responsibility लेना, ये बहुत ज़्यादा माथापेची करना पड़ेगा. So much of heaviness is there. Why should I be a leader? And कभी-कभी लगता था I think I'm not a leader material. To be honest, I used to feel I was not a leader material guy. I was more of a good team player guy. But 4 years back, when one of my senior, contacted me and he told Kiran, why don't you talk to Vijay? You seem to have a lot of aspirations in your life. Maybe he might give you a little bit of direction where you can focus on. And at that time, when I was working for a startup, I had plans for higher studies. बहुत कुछ चीजें चल रही थी. In fact, I got offer from Imperial College London. So everything was pretty clear in my life. And at that time, when I met Vijay, again, Vijay suggested me 4 books, which definitely all of leaders have already suggested, all of you. So fundamentally, if they are suggesting these 4 books, trust me, it has a very, 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 very deep meaning out of it. Because if you can really understand the essence of these 4 books and start reflecting in your real life, you will realize what kind of information gap you would have had from your childhood. So the moment I read those 4 books, I asked Vijay, कि विजय यार आई रियली वांट टू क्रिएट अ ह्यूज इम्पैक्ट. मुझे कुछ ना कुछ तो तहलका मचाना है, बट मुझे इतना नहीं पता कि मैं स्टीव जॉब्स हूँ, बिल गेट्स. आई एक्चुअली डोंट नो व्हाट एम आई. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता, बट कुछ ना कुछ तो करना है, कुछ तो करना ही है. तो विजय ने पहले डराया मुझे, ही गेव मी 2 प्रपोजल. अच्छा किरण, अगर सीरियसली तुझे करना है तो तुझे लीडर बनना पड़ेगा. लीडर बनना पड़ेगा, ये क्या हो गया? मतलब लीडर कहाँ से आ गया इधर? फिर देन ही टोल्ड, अच्छा मैं बोला ठीक है लीडर बन जाते हैं. फिर अगेन विजय स्कैर्ड मी ऑफ. ही टोल्ड, देख लीडर का मतलब मैं तुझे 2 चीज बताता हूँ. इफ यू वांट टू बिकम लीडर इन एनी एरिया, then you have to invest at least 5 to 10 years of your life. Are you willing to do that? First question mark. दूसरा विजय ने बोला कि there are no 2 good days in a leader's life. I think in fact John C. Maxwell also quoted this sentence कि leader के life में कोई भी consecutive 2 दिन अच्छा होता नहीं है, because there are a lot of responsibility, lot of challenges he has to face every single day. And the moment Vijay scared me, somehow other वो जो fighting वाला किरण था, मुझे challenge अच्छा ही लगता है. तो विजय को बोला चलो करके दिखाते हैं यार, करते हैं, क्या होगा, ज्यादा फेल हो जाऊंगा ना, और तो नहीं होगा. दैट इज व्हेन द जर्नी स्टार्टेड. एंड व्हाइल आई स्टार्टेड द जर्नी, द हाउ लीडरशिप पार्ट ऑफ इट इज व्हाट 5 levels of leadership is all about. Few pointers before I speak about 5 levels. One thing is that this 5 levels of leadership is always one-on-one. It is not in group. अगर मैं लीडरशिप की कुछ भी आपको टॉक दे रहा हूँ, it is not out of group. It is always focused on one-on-one principles. And the other thing is that if you're in a team, if you're in corporate, if you have a sizable team, or let's say you're a tech lead or a manager or CEO, you always have a team with you. Now, if you have no clue how to lead with them, let's say you go to a new company right now, and your new company, the position given to you is engineering manager. अब इतना फैंसी द टाइटल तो मिल गया है, उसमें जेडी में भी लिखा हुआ है कि आपको मैनेज करना है 5 से 10 लोगों को, प्रोजेक्ट एग्जीक्यूशन करना, सब बता दिया, बट आपको कोई क्लू नहीं है मैं करूँ तो क्या करूँ, कहाँ से मैं स्टार्ट करूँ. यू हैव लॉट ऑफ कंफ्यूजन इन योर माइंड. एंड इफ यू आर इन योर फैमिली, लेट्स से योर फादर, इफ योर मदर, एनीवन, और आपके पास कोई टीम है, आपको कुछ लीड करना है किसी चीज के लिए, और आपको पता भी नहीं कैसे कहाँ से स्टार्ट करूँ. दिस इज व्हेन दिस लीडरशिप प्रिंसिपल विल कम इनटू द पिक्चर. एंड यू कैन नॉट क्लाइम दिस लेवल्स एक्चुअली अलोन. तो बेसिकली द फंडामेंटल पार्ट इज आप अकेले ये नहीं कर सकते हो. जस्ट पॉइंट ब्लैंक आंसर. आई हैव इन्वेस्टेड 3 years of my life just to understand this point. I used to believe कि I can single-handedly do whatever I want. बट विजय बोलते थे किरण कुछ तहलका मचाना तो अकेले तुम नहीं कर पाओगे, तुमको टीम लानी ही पड़ेगी. तो मैंने विजय को बोला यार सिंगल हैंडेड ज्यादा इजी है यार, टीम लाके तो यार चीजें स्लो हो जाती है. एंड बट आई हैड टू लर्न इन्वेस्टिंग 1 year फेलिंग मेरे से हुआ ही, काम मेरे से हो गया, बट जो रिजल्ट मैं चाहता था वो आया ही नहीं मेरे लाइफ में. तब मुझे पता चला कि यार सिंगल हैंडेड कोई भी काम होगा नहीं. तो द फर्स्ट लेवल लीडरशिप इज पोजीशन लेवल लीडरशिप. द कीवर्ड ऑफ पोजीशन लेवल लीडरशिप इज राइट्स, एंड दिस इज वेयर द कंपनी गिव्स यू द टाइटल. And the statement here is all about people follow you because they have to, and this is where people call boss का चक्कर, ये सब. All this is all a title oriented leadership. अगर आपने बचपन में आपने मूवी भी देखा होगा, बाहुबली का मूवी देख लो, लेटेस्ट मूवी, उसमें बाहुबली को टाइटल दिया था इनिशियली, बट ऑल्दो ही प्रूव्ड हिज टाइटल लेटर, बट ही वाज गिवन a title initially. So this is the first level leadership is called position level leadership, and this is where you actually build your brand. If you're alone, it is a double-edged sword. क्या डबल एज स्वॉर्ड है कि अगर आप कुछ गलती करते हो तो शायद यू वोंट इम्पैक्ट अदर पीपल्स लाइफ, यू विल इम्पैक्ट योर लाइफ, बट द डैमेज इज लेस. बट इफ यू आर विद अ टीम, इफ यू डू सम मिस्टेक, इट विल आल्सो अफेक्ट योर टीम. एंड हियर इट इज ऑल अबाउट एक्शन. आप अपना ब्रांड तभी बना सकते हो when you're clear about your core values, you're clear about your ethics, you're clear about integrity, and you know what you stand for, and this is where you build your brand. And John C. Maxwell again tells a very beautiful sentence: leadership is a verb, not a noun. And this actually stuck into my fiber into my body. Here I always want to be in action mode, because the best way to communicate vision is to always be in action mode. So this is the first level of leadership. The second level of leadership is permission level leadership. The key word here is relationships and trust. And the statement here is people follow you because they want to. And while in my journey of implementing my own idea, this is a level of leadership which I failed miserably. I maybe lost 2 to 3 years of my life to understand this fact. And the best part, I could understand the reason being is I had coaches and mentors in my life. I had Akshay and Seema with me. I had, Onkar and Anju here with me. They actually showed me my blind spots and they told me, they showed me, Kiran, I think this is where you must have lacked. I think तुम लोगों की अच्छी सी टीम बना तो ले रहे हो, you're creating a voluntary organization, but you're not able to keep them and making them to follow one particular goal because your relationship thread is not established, your foundation is not established. इसको again सीखने में मुझे एक और साल लग गए, and the moment I learned this, it was natural to me. The moment I meet anyone today, building relationship is natural to me, and that is where the level 2 leadership comes into the picture, because you can care for people without leading them, but you cannot lead people well without caring for them. And here all the risk comes into the picture. Here this is where you come to know their personal life. You come to know कि यार वो बंदा कितना struggle life में go through किया हुआ है, वो आपका best friend बन सकता है कि नहीं. You will know exactly how do you solve problems together. यहाँ पे आप problem को चीजें साथ solve करते हो. यहाँ पे you celebrate success together. You eat food together. This is where the foundation is all about. And when the crunch time comes, people will always stick if you're close to them and they want to follow you. And there's a beautiful story of relationship level leadership, but I won't be talking to you here right now due to shortage of time. You can go ahead and maybe to Google search and see about Nelson Mandela's story, how Nelson Mandela actually value people in his personal life, and that created a huge impact in his life as well. And the drawback of this level of leadership is that sometimes people might take you very lightly. Because अगर आप ज़्यादा ही relationship करते हो, तो लोग आपको lightly लेते हैं. कभी होता है ना, सोच के अगर आपका कोई जिगरी दोस्त है, आप इतना अच्छा दोस्त बन चुके हो कि आप अगर उसको कुछ ज्ञान देते हो कि यार ये कर ले यार तेरे लाइफ के लिए अच्छा रहेगा, वो तो बोलेगा तू रहने दे भाई, तो अपना देख ले, मुझे मत सिखा. एंड द लेवल 2 leadership drawback is here. People might take you lightly, and this is where again you would need a coach and mentor to learn where do you draw a thin line. You cannot go completely close to people and you cannot be completely far away from people. But अगर आप जब तक close जाओगे नहीं, लोगों को lead नहीं कर पाओगे. So this is where is the second level leadership all about. The level 3 leadership is my personal favorite because this is where I always want to be in. The keyword here is results, and this builds credibility. And the statement here is people follow you because of what you have done for the organization. The production level leadership, the live example in cricket, if you see, is Sachin. Sachin was a greatest producer of all the time, but he could not lead properly. So he was a very good producer. So you could be a very good producer in your organization as well. आप अपनी कंपनी में बहुत अच्छे प्रोड्यूसर भी हो, रिजल्ट्स लेके आते हो, बट आपको एक्चुअली नहीं पता कि टीम को कैसे मैं रिजल्ट लेके आके दूं. आप इंडिविजुअल अच्छे से कंट्रीब्यूटर, बट यू डोंट नो हाउ टू ब्रिंग रिजल्ट्स विद योर टीम. And the fundamental part of this leadership is that the foundation of team building actually belongs here. The foundation is not built in level 2 because level 2 में trust का foundation बनता है. यहाँ पे exactly team building का foundation बनता है, जहाँ पे आप vision communicate करते हो through your actions and you model people, you exactly show the prototype की what needs to be done. And the other beautiful part kicks in this level of leadership is momentum. Momentum is so close to my heart, is that whatever you do, अगर आप मोमेंटम में अगर रह के अगर आप करते हो कुछ काम, तो आपका एफर्ट 10 times मल्टीप्लाई हो जाता है. यू विल एक्चुअली फील कि मैं सुपरमैन बन गया, मैं सुपर वुमन बन गया. आई डोंट नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ पावर कम्स टू योर माइंड. जो भी आपसे बात करता है उसको लगता है कि यार ये तो बंदा फाड़ू इंसान है, यार खतरनाक इंसान है. उसको अंदर से वाइब्रेशन वाली फीलिंग आती है. और जब मोमेंटम नहीं होता है लाइफ में, मल्टीप्लाई 10 हुआ जब मोमेंटम था, जब मल्टीप्लाई 10 जब मोमेंटम नहीं था, इट विल बिकम डिवाइडेड बाय 10. मैन, यू विल फील सो पैथेटिक. यू विल फील कि यार मेरे साथ यार अगर मैं इतना अच्छा ऑडियंस से बात कर रहा हूँ, इफ आई डोंट हैव मोमेंटम इन माय लाइफ, आई विल बी सो फियरफुल टू टॉक टू यू ऑल ऑफ यू. मुझे लगा नहीं अक्षय आज मत बुलाओ, नेक्स्ट वीक बुला लो, मैं कुछ थोड़ा प्रिपेयर कर लेता हूँ. नो, आई विल जस्ट अक्षय को मैं पोस्टपोन करने के लिए बोलूंगा. अगर लाइफ में कुछ चीजें पोस्टपोन कर रहे हो, इसका मतलब आपकी लाइफ में मोमेंटम नहीं है. सिंपल सी बात है. तो दिस इज वेयर द मोमेंटम किक्स इन. Level 3 is called production level leadership. And the challenge, as I told you, in this level leadership is that it is always an individual contributor. You will always become a Sachin of your organization. You will always become a Kohli of your organization, or you'll always become an individual contributor who can bring results individually, but who cannot execute the overall project in a successful manner. And that is where the level 4 leadership, which is again superbly close to my heart, is called people development. And the key word here is reproduction. And the statement here is people follow you because of what you have done for them. The live example, needless to say, is definitely Vijay. Akshay Seema and Deepak Richa, all of these people are in the journey of creating this level 4 leadership, because at level 3 you add. जब आप अच्छा चीज करते हो लाइफ में, लोग आपके साथ रहना चाहते हैं. दैट मीन्स यू एड पीपल इनटू योर सर्कल ऑफ इन्फ्लुएंस. बट एट लेवल 4 you compound, you multiply. If you're thinking of building wealth in your life, you have to aspire to come in level 4 leadership. No matter what business you are in, no matter which position you are in, if you're not in level 4 leadership, trust me, आप प्रोड्यूस तो करोगे, बट आपके पास टाइम नहीं रहेगा बाकी चीजों के लिए. And this is where you get back the time. When people are duplicating, people are outperforming your aspiration, people are outperforming your expectations, you actually get back time and you can think more. आप अच्छे से और सोच पाओगे कि मैं टीम को और अच्छा करने के लिए क्या कर सकता हूँ. Today, because Vijay has came to level 4 leadership with many of us, around 30-40 people of us, and we're running 29 book clubs without Vijay being present. That means Vijay has already touched that level 4 leadership tremendously nice. And that is the reason he's getting a lot of time to think what he could do more for us so that we could grow much faster. So this is where level 4 leadership is all about. And here I'll just share you a couple of 3 to 4 steps to exactly replicate in your life, which will help you to get back time back. So the first level of people development is recruitment, and recruitment is actually to find the best talent. And next thing is positioning. You find the best talent and position that right talent in the right place. If you don't put the right talent in the right place, फिर उसको backfire हो जाएगा. This also happened in my life. I'm telling you all, whatever I'm speaking, it is not only out of theory. I've seen exactly how things backfire. If you don't put the right people, the right talent in right kind of position, it will backfire because the other person will get demotivated out of his work. And the third is modeling. Modeling is all about the level 3 leadership which we talked about, production. मैं अपनी टीम को कैसा प्रोड्यूस करना चाहता हूँ वो मैं खुद दिखा दूंगा उनको. I will exactly produce and show them this is what I want. Now you can bring your creativity and make it much better. And the fourth level is equipping. Equipping is a crucial aspect where the multiplication will start to have. What is equipping? First step is I do it. मैं करके दिखाता हूँ. अगर मुझे बुक क्लब रन करना है तो फर्स्ट मेरे लिए क्या हुआ, मेरे लिए अक्षय सीमा, ऑल दिस सक्सेसफुल पीपल, ओनकार रंजू, ऑल दिस पीपल हैव शोड मी एग्जैक्टली हाउ टू रन अ बुक क्लब. फिर क्या हुआ, फिर मैं रन करता था, वो लोग मेरे साथ थे. So I was feeling little bit secure कि यार I am running the book club and my mentors are with me. The third is I am doing it and they are with me in terms of coaching. The fourth is I do it independently. Today Akshay Seema is not there in the book club. I independently run maybe around 3-4 book clubs at my own level. And the fourth is you do it. आप करो और आप लोगों को करने दो. So I teach it, and if I can also teach 1 or 2 more people who can independently run the book club, that means I've actually tasted level 4 leadership of people development. And this is where the equipping comes into the picture. And finally, the level 5 leadership is pinnacle. This is an automatic level which you would earn from people. And the keyword here is respect. And people will give this level to you because you have earned from them. And the statement here is people follow you because of who you are and what you represent. This is where all the successful, kick-ass people are here. You can talk Dhoni or Abdul Kalam sir, Mother Teresa, Steve Jobs, Nelson Mandela. In whatever field you go to this level 5, your impact will be visible in any other field as well. It is not limited to one particular field. At level 5 leadership, you impact in multiple fields. And this is where, trust me, my personal dream is to come to this level. I have no freaking, I'm okay to take 10 years also, but I know the kind of impact we will all create if we can aspire to be at this level. And the whole summary of this level is legacy. This is where the legacy is built. Legacy of people, culture, and wealth is built here. And the lifelong process of all this leadership is about, very simply, you earn, you learn, and return. And finally, just to end this level of leadership is to give you a very simple, very powerful quote. The goal in life is not to live forever. The goal in life is not to live forever. The goal in life is to create something that does. The goal in life is to create something that does. And this is where law of explosive growth happens. And just to quickly summarize the all level of leadership, we discussed about why to be a leader. If you have some dream, you need to be a leader. There's no option for you. What is leadership? It is all about influence. How leadership, we talked about 5 levels. We talked about position level. We talked about permission. We talked about production. We talked about people development. And we talked about the pinnacle level leadership. And this is where I end my talk. And I'm really honored to be to talk across my coaches, personal coaches whom I've worked with personally. And it is really priceless to speak. I hope I added some value. And thank you so much, Akshay and Seema. Thank you so much, Onkar and everyone who invited me. Thank you.